You know my motorcycle, you've seen it on countless videos. It looks like an RX 100, it goes like an RX 135. So what is it? This is an RX G. So this is the problem. Hey guys, Bratic Biker here. I hope you're all doing well. Hope the lockdown is treating you all well. So you've seen my motorcycle in my previous videos. The small story about this is that this is a Yamaha RX G. It looks like an RX 100, but it goes like an RX 135. So this identity problem, I wanted to fix that by just changing the simple side panel monograms. As you can see, there is RX 100 written there. So what I did is that I got this RX G monogram from Adarsh Automotive, a really good friend of mine, my dealer of spare parts. I'll put his phone number down in the description box below. You guys can follow him on spares. I've been dealing with him for a long time for both my Yamaha and also my previous Suzuki Max 100R. So today let us remove the existing RX 100 side panel monograms and install this brand new original RX G logos onto the side panels. So here are the tools that are required to make this successful. Either you need a 10 mm T-spanner or a screwdriver. In my case it's a 10 mm T-spanner to open up my side panels and get them out. Original monograms, you can either get 135s or 100s, whichever your motorcycle is. A hammer, a plier, or an adjustable spanner. So that's gonna help you to flatten these small rings. As you can see, if the camera can catch that, this is not exactly flat. To install them, you need to make this flat. So this came with the monogram set. This is for installing them. So let us start with the work by removing off those two side panels, and next we'll remove the RX 100 logos and we'll install them. So we begin. Either take your 10 mm T-spanner or take your screwdriver to remove both the side panels. So let us do that. Alright, it's pretty tight. So this is your bolt. Back first, front second. New subscribers, if you're wondering where is my oil tank, I've removed it. I'm running completely premixed. That is, I'm running without the oil pump. So if you want to do the same thing as I am doing, I've put a link down in the description box below. So do follow it if you want to see a tutorial of taking off your oil pump, your oil tank, sealing off your oil pipe and running fully premixed. So to continue this video, let us go to the other side. Do better. So was first and front second. So now we have both the panels removed. That is my little kitten Tiger checking out the nuts. She'll be playing with it. So yeah, we've removed the side panels. Now let us proceed to removing the old RX 100 monograms. So what you need to do is you need to flip it around, and basically you will find, okay, so these clips actually, where are these? Yeah, these clips sit like this here, but all these clips were already fallen off. So due to some bad luck, it was sitting like this. So if yours is stuck without this clip, what you can do is that let me show you. You need to take your hammer, place it between your legs, and you just need to tap all the three. So the monogram will fall down like it did in my case. So here's the old monogram. Let us do for the other panel as well. Same way. This is the left side panel, same way. 3 tabs. So 1. Okay. footing one itself made it fall, so this is all right. So these are the two old monograms. Let us keep them aside. Now let us install the newer ones. So before you install the newer ones, take them out. Obviously that's not the point, but anyways, yeah, they look really good. Take them out and get these things out. So what you have to do is you need to take your adjustable spanner or a plier and then flatten these up. As you can see, it is not flat, it is slightly protruding, so you need to flatten these up. So let us do that one by one. So keep it like this, and then basically close it in such a way that it's gonna get flat. Last one. Alright, so now take your right side panel, place it this way. So make sure you this is the wrong one. So this is what I wanted to say. So when you're installing this, make sure they line up correctly. So yeah, this is how they should be. So there is a flat line and there is a slant. The slant should come in the end side of the panel. The flat line should come like this. So this need to bend a little. So yeah, let us install that. So press it like this. Yeah, like this. So you need to put pressure so that this goes in properly. This actually has a separate tool. I don't know that name for it, but this is how you do it. So if you do not have that tool, you can just press it with both of your fingers. That's one. Let us take the second one. So it suddenly started to rain, so I'll just come back into the sheet. So let us do the remaining ones. So you have to apply pressure from behind or it's gonna go out. So you can use your thigh, sit down, you can use your thigh to keep it intact and then give pressure. Alright, so that's how you do it. So we've completed the right side panel. Let us do the left side panel. So here's the left side panel that's ready. So let us install them back and we'll be done.
Guys, if you're finding any difficulties in using both of your thumbs to install the monogram properly, you can take an 8mm T-socket and a hammer. Use the T-socket to place on top of the ring and hammer it down with very little force. This will secure the monogram properly if you're finding it difficult.
Installing them is the same way as how you removed them. So front first, back second. Alright, so now let's put them back. So we fixed the right side panel and here she is in all her glory. So this is the last job remaining to so here she is. So there she is, guys. I've partly restored her identity finally. So this is my Yamaha RXG 1997 model. So if you like this video, please do leave a like below. Please do comment your video suggestion.